is it the highest payout for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, even 5 years? But you also want to make sure you pick the right annuity contract for your time frame. A lot of people don't realize how flexible these are. Hey there, I'm John Stevenson. Welcome to the show. Today we're going to be talking about a gentleman that I just helped 2 weeks ago. He is 63 years old. He's going to wait 4 years and he's going to take around $51,000 per year from a $500,000 annuity contract. So for him, the highest payout was nationwide. We were looking at a lot of different carriers, a lot of different options. He was planning on taking income in 4 years, but he still wants to be able to have the ability and the freedom to take income in 2 to 3 years if he so chose. And so we were comparing that too. We were looking at, all right, is it the highest payout for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, even 5 years? And it was nationwide. It was a Peak 10 product. It's a really, really solid annuity, has high lifetime income. If you wait 2 years, it's $45,000 a year. If you wait 3 years, it's $48,000 and change. And then of course, if he waits the 4-year plan, age 67, it's going to be $51,000 a year. So the way this works, so he's going to get a 25% bonus on the income benefit, and then he's going to get an 8% simple interest, which will make his benefit value $825,000 multiplied by 6.25%, giving him that $51,000 if he were to wait the full 4 years. I wanted to talk about this because when you're looking at annuities and you're not sure when you're going to take income, you need to make sure you choose the annuity contract that will still give you the highest lifetime income or close to it during the years maybe coming up to it, like 2 or 3 years before your goal, and maybe even 2 or 3 years afterwards. And the reason for that is because you want to have the flexibility of taking income whenever you want, which they all give you, but you also want to make sure you pick the right annuity contract for your time frame so that if you do decide to take it earlier or later, you still don't miss out. Like you're like, oh man, I should have picked that one from Mass Mutual because I waited an extra year or whatever. Like you want to make sure that you pick the right annuity that is at least in the top 3 during that time range. So that's what we try to do. When I get on these Zoom calls with my clients, we'll kind of explore all the options and say, well, this one does this amount in this 2 years. This one does this in 5 years. But you kind of look at the happy medium. You want to make sure you get the one for the highest amount of income for the time that they're 80% likely going to activate the income, but also make sure that it's very competitive the years around it if they decide to take income earlier or later. That's why I want to talk about this specifically, because when people buy annuities, they usually have an idea when they're going to take income, but at the same time, they want the flexibility to take it earlier or later and still know they're getting the highest payout. That's very common. And it's a lot of people don't realize how flexible these are. A lot of times they think, well, I got to pick the date, right? I got to pick it right when I buy the annuity, and that's just not true. I mean, that's kind of the old thinking. That's what you have to do with SPIAs and DIAs and QLACs, which you still have to do. But right now, I have a lot of people that are looking for highest lifetime income, and usually the income rider is a better fit because that's what they're looking for. So if you want to research annuities for yourself, just go to my website, johnstevenson.com. Check out the income rider calculator that will show you the highest annual payouts, either for single or joint. And then if you are comfortable at that point, reach out to me and I can help you set up an annuity contract for yourself if that's what you're looking for. Otherwise, you can go to the link below this video and you can book a Zoom meeting with me there as well. It's important to me that you are seeing all of the options though. And that's important because you want transparency. A lot of times guys will try to sell you something that the commissions are like crazy high and the annuity payout to you is 2/3 of what it could be. So, and it's very common in our industry, unfortunately. People can justify selling you a good product for a higher commission, but not the best product for you that would perhaps pay them a lower amount. So it's not always the case, but that is common. Or sometimes the agent just doesn't have access to all the best products. They just have access to what their broker dealer allows them to sell. So anyways, things to know. It's important to know. And if you have questions about that or comments, please comment below. And of course, if you like the video, subscribe, share, you know the drill. But I do appreciate you for watching. I hope you're enjoying the surroundings. I'm in the woods. I'm enjoying the woods. And I wanted you to kind of be out here with me as I shared some of just some of what I'm doing with clients right now that are taking advantage of very good annuity rates right now. So anyways, thank you so much. I appreciate you, and we'll see you next time. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.